Lovely viewers. Today I, Rupal, on behalf of Khemo Devi Public School, presents a video on anti-firecrackers campaign. This campaign is based on the guidelines of Directorate of Education, and they have started this campaign based on the theme Say No to Crackers in this Diwali, on this Diwali, and be safe from COVID-19. So let's spread the same awareness of saying no to crackers this Diwali. So, as we all know, Diwali is the festival of light, sparkle, brightness, and serenity and peace. And we all worship Goddess Lakshmi in this festival. So, we should keep in mind that we should not involve ourselves in teaming up with pollution. We should not be one who's burning the crackers and polluting our surroundings. So, we should keep it in mind and we should think twice before teaming up with the pollution this Diwali. Also keep in mind that burning crackers, okay, for one time we can have enjoyment with burning crackers, but it has a long lasting impact on the health and even on the surroundings. So before bursting up the crackers, we should keep the impact of this all which we do. It causes noise pollution, it causes air pollution, and also it is not good for elderly people as well. The noise of crackers may have bad impacts and may have even the hazardous effects. So before teaming up with the pollution, I'm again saying before teaming up with the pollution, think twice. Not involving in bursting of crackers is the first steps of avoiding the child exploitation, as making crackers involve children many children exploitation. How does it involve child exploitation? Children are employed in firecracker industry, sit late into the night making crackers for you to burn in an instant and burn their hands, legs and eyes, and many get maimed for life because of the harmful chemical and acids used to make the crackers. So this is actually harmful for children who are working late night in the factories in the firecracker industries, and it is actually the part of child exploitation. So before involving in all these, let's think about those children who are doing this late night and harming their health and harming their every body part because the chemical used are very harmful. So let's not involve in child exploitation as well. Pollution. Because of bursting crackers, air pollution is the major thing which is caused. A heavy smoke hangs low in the air on Diwali night and a few days after that, resulting in the increased level of sulfur nitrates, magnesium, nitrogen dioxide, which are injurious to our respiratory passages. So all these gases which are released because of bursting crackers causes air pollution and a heavy smoke around us. Cracker even leads to noise pollution because we all know the big bang sounds from the crackers causes noise pollution. Bombs leads to noise pollution, and a prolonged exposure to such high levels of noise can lead to permanent damage to the eardrums. And sometimes what happens, some crackers have very much loud voice which can permanently damage the eardrums of children and even of elderly people. So we should keep this in mind and not involve all in this bursting crackers. Don't keep in mind that what causes afterwards, what are the impact of bursting the crackers. We never keep in mind that bursting these crackers may cause garbage as well. Approximately 4,000 additional metric tons of garbage are released in Delhi alone. So you see the condition of only Delhi. 4,000 additional ton of garbage. That means from the regular routine, 4,000 metric tons of garbage is released and twice the amount in Bombay. Bombay causes more pollution. So it compromises more garbage and pollution. It compromises of chemicals like phosphorus, sulfur and potassium chloride and of burnt paper. So you see how even damage and garbage to our health, it is injurious. To our surroundings, it is injurious. So we should keep in mind that before bursting these crackers, before taking these steps, we should be concerned about our surroundings and majorly about our health. Accidents. Because of firecrackers, people damage their eyes, people damage their ear. Nearly 10,000 people get injured by crackers every year. You see, 10,000 people is a big population who gets injured at this point of time. So, before anything, we should keep ourselves safe from firecrackers, from pollution, from garbage, and from all the other harmful chemicals released because of burning the crackers. This Diwali 2020, the pandemic year, we should be more safe and we should be more precautious because of the spread of COVID-19. As we all know, that COVID-19 is a lung disease and affects our immune system, and burning crackers in these conditions can majorly affect our health and our surroundings. So again, think many times before burning the crackers. And it's a report here that respiratory disease specialists are worried about crackers that would be used during Diwali festival this year. So they have passed on a report that crackers may affect the health of many people. A letter from the Department of Medicine, SMS Hospital Jaipur, had gone viral on social media recently, in which doctors wrote to the principal of medical college highlighting the possibility of the worst impact on lungs of people, especially those who have already suffered from COVID, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and asthma. So, again, be safe in COVID. Do not burn the crackers. Do not cause the pollution. Do not give invitation to more respiratory diseases. Here you can see two contrasting pictures. Now you decide how are you going to celebrate Diwali, by lighting diyas, candles and brightening all the surroundings, or by destroying the surroundings, burning the crackers. So decision is yours, health is yours, surrounding is yours. So do think when you are what you are doing. At the end, I would just like to say have a safe and a very happy Diwali. Thank you so much for watching it.